Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Nissan Sentra. On this Nissan Sentra we're going to go over how you would check and add engine coolant or antifreeze to the vehicle. So we've got the cap here that's on top of the radiator itself. This cap you will never remove when the engine is hot because it can it'll shoot steam and it can burn you and the hot fluids. So this one you use a lot more when you've, say, drained the fluids because you were fixing other components like a water pump, thermostat, or a radiator hose. And this is a way to fill it up a lot faster. But you would be able to remove this cap. See, it's full, but you would remove it and you would put it in there. But we also have this cap here, which this is the coolant overflow, and because it's going to fluctuate as it gets hot and cold, and it has this pipe, this tube here that will, when the pressure builds, it'll push coolant into this overflow reservoir, or it will suck coolant out to keep your engine at its maximum capacity of what it needs. So you can same trick as the any plastic, you can to try to see where it's at, and we're pretty low on this, so we're going to add some coolant to it. This, you just spin the cap off. This can be open when the engine is hot. Just don't open this one when it's hot. And so we're going to add coolant, and this coolant is blue, and that's what goes in this vehicle. So you want to match the color and you want to make sure that you're putting in a 50-50 mix. You shouldn't put just water, and you shouldn't just put just straight concentrate. You're going to want to put a 50-50 mix of your antifreeze to keep your engine to be able to cool at the optimum. So then once you've finished adding the amount of coolant that is to be within the high and the low mark that's on this reservoir, and like you got to kind of just look at behind it, and with that light there it helps you see what it is. Then you'll just want to put your cap back on and you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.